Alright, so I promised myself I was gonna do this thing once I received my Harry's box. I ordered my Harry's razor because I have to shave, even though I don't grow that much of hair, but I left my razor back home when we moved, so I needed a new one. I've been shaving with disposable ones which have been killing me, honestly. So after hearing about Harry seeing no such thing as a fish, I decided, hey, let's buy one. So this package cost me basically 15 bucks, 15 Canadian dollars. I paid $6 for a mystery item, which I don't know what is, and the shipping cost of $8.99. So what you do is you buy the razor, and then you subscribe for a monthly, bi-monthly, every 5 months, whenever you need it. You get new refills, and then you start replacing and using your shaving machine. So let's open this up. All right, this is the box. Pretty neat, standard cardboard packaging. H from Harry's. It's my first unboxing. Oh my god. Once you open it, very nice inside. It says there, your shave supplies have arrived. Enjoy. And here we have what I assume is the mystery item, which I have no idea what it is. What's inside? That would be telling. So let's see what it is. It's a post-shave balm. I've heard this from No Such Thing as a Fish. It's a balm with aloe, whatever. It's a post-shave balm. That'll come in handy. My allergies always make my skin irritable. And the actual shaving equipment. By the way, I love the packaging. I love the bags. They have small comics. And let's see about the razor. Oh, a little, protector for the razor, so you don't leave it just hanging around and your kids grab it and shave their heads off. Some tips for a smooth shave. Jesus Christ. How to remove your blade instructions. Oh, and a little letter from the founders, Andy and Jeff. Oh. Alright, cool. Buy your own. I'm not going to tell you what it says there. It's pretty nice. And la pièce de résistance. Oh, shave gel. Which, by the way, you're supposed to put on your face 2 minutes before shaving, which I didn't know. So, do it. Do it. And the actual razor and shaving machine? Handle? Whatever. Wow, this looks like a fancy pen, Fancy pen. I ordered the orange one because, of course, my watch is orange, so, Wow, it's actually heavier than I thought. It's heavy. There you go. You can remove the head and replace it whenever you order your refills. It's a pretty nice device. It has a trimming blade on top, right there. And it has actually 5 precision blades. Not bad. I've read a couple of reviews that say that it can be a little bit more flexible than the average ones in the market, but I'll have to see that once I shave, which I am also going to show you in a minute. So let's see. There you go. Shaving machine. A couple of letters from the founders, including some tips on how to shave. Alright. Pretty. Little holder for the replaceable head, which I assume if you were to dismount the initial protector or cover and then just have this in your bathroom after every shave and cleaning, you would just place your Harry's shaving machine like this and store it. Safe storage. Safe storage. So we got our shaving cream and the post-shave balm. Alright? So what do you say if we try it out? Let's see if it's possible to do so right now. So, here we go. Little shaving cream. We're gonna give it this full 2 minutes. Let's see if I feel anything different. It smells manly. That wasn't sexist, okay? It's just the truth. Okay, I think I overdid it. Definitely just got a lot of this thing, you know. So, again, this is actually much heavier than I thought. I'll see if I can just handle it as I used to. Let's see if it's any different. Oh, wow. Wow. No, that's a shave. Now that's a shave. That's different. Gotta get used to the height though. This is not bad at all. This is unbelievably smooth. Okay, that's a failure. It just came off of the handle. Didn't like that one. But it's smooth as hell. What can I say? Well, I would say this is a success, you know. Definitely recommend it. Definitely recommend it. Try it. Harry's. It comes off a little bit, but it's amazing. Try it. It's really good. Bye.